Hi everyone, this is Louise again from Gypsy Rose Divination. Welcome to my new flower channeling and healing session for today. If you've not seen any of these videos before, I'm literally talking to the flower really. I'm talking to the what we call the deva, or the spirit of the flower, the nature spirits, fairies, angels, all the elementals and angels that gather together in the natural world to so we can channel the information through plants and flowers. Um, Today we're going to be working with an oracle card. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, I've been working with the actual flowers, but the next few sessions I'm going to be working with oracle cards and pictures and photos. This is useful if you, obviously we don't have all the flowers in the world at our disposal. Um, it can be out of season. Geography prevents us from having the flower around us. Money, not being in season, but we can still talk to the flowers, the plants, and gain information and insight about certain things, our life purpose. But today I'm going to be sending healing to you, and possibly if the spirits want to talk to me, which they usually do, about the forget me not. Now I've got an oracle deck here. We're going to ignore what it says because hopefully the nature spirits will tell me information to relay to you. So all I need to do from you is to just relax, switch your phone off, get yourself comfortable, and just say to yourself, I wish to receive this healing from Louise with gratitude and love. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set the intention um, for anybody that watches this video now and at any point in the future to receive the healing with love and gratitude. And so let's begin. So I'm just going to set up the intention. Okay, so let's just all relax now. So I'm setting the intention to send the healing of this beautiful photograph, this beautiful oracle card of the forget me not, to anybody that watches this video at any point in the future. I may go quiet at times and then I may talk. Let's just enjoy the healing for a few moments. This is a very calming energy with the forget me not. It's a beautiful blue, almost like daisies really, with yellow centres. Um, Beautiful light blue, dainty, delicate flowers. Very much a healing colour with the blue, about communication. It's very light, a light energy, freedom. I want to say, obviously, we can take from the actual flower what it's called itself, forget me not. So immediately we can think back to our past and our childhood. So our childhood is very important. The deva of this flower now is saying that we what we become comes from our childhood, if that makes sense. We start out as innocent children, and this shapes us for our life because it's always with us. We may try and forget the past, whether we had a good childhood or a not so good childhood, it's always there. Um, but we do have the opportunity to change our future with the free will. But this is a gentle energy. There must be times in your childhood when you did have, I want to say you did have a good time, but not everybody has had a good time in their childhood. So I think this is important now that we send some healing to those of us who had a difficult childhood. This is very, very important. This is what I'm sensing for those of us that did not have a blissful childhood. We'll just all send some lovely healing now. Just be grateful and accept this healing with love. I'm hearing that a lot of us are damaged. I'm seeing visions of children doing ring a ring of roses, playing games together. This is the ideal, the what we would like from our childhood, simple pleasures. Not all of us had this, but it's also about memories, going back to the past, your first love. There's some things we want to forget and other things we like to remember. It's about remembering the good times in the past. Everyone must have good times somewhere in their past. The card is saying, what the I want to say there's a fairy uh, communicating with this. This is very like a fairy energy. What's coming through today? The fairy. Also a bit of a connection with bluebells as well. It's all around the woods, the flowers, the lovely blue flowers in the woods. What these fairies are saying is that we can create better memories for us. We can go in to our past and change, not change the memories, but we can look at them with a different light. And this can help with our inner child healing and help us change the course of our future, because in this healing, we're like not trying to change in as such. We are accepting the past, but we are looking at it through different eyes, and we are imagining different outcomes and sending love to the situation. This is very much like timeline healing. So going back to the past, looking at it objectively, and then forgiving those that we perceive have done us harm. Yes, so if you feel this way, just call upon flowers like forget-me-not and bluebells, little blue flowers in the woods, because they're all in like this same group, connected to the past and our childhood. Also daisies as well, and buttercups. Any any flowers that would be around that you would notice when you were little. Some of us will also feel sad about lost loves, our first love, our childhood sweethearts, our teenage sweethearts. Well, that's okay. We're just starting out in the world, aren't we, with love and friendships and excitement. There's very much an innocence with this card, and calling upon the forget me not and the bluebell. Just say to yourself, I wish to call upon the energy of the forget me not to help heal my childhood and to look at things objectively so that I can move forward into the future, knowing that forgiveness and healing has happened, I want to say. Because of the blue, the dainty blue, the light blue, this is very much about our throat chakras, our communication, our ears, and our throat. So just listen to your inner thoughts about how you feel about the situation. The voice in your head. Can you change it when you think back to your childhood? Do you think, is it all negative? Can we replace it with positive things? Forgiveness. Looking at quotes in literature, that's what I'm feeling. Look at things like Alice in Wonderland and Winnie the Pooh, all these, what is it, the Tao of Pooh. All these quotes make you think in a different way, more philosophical. Writing things down about your childhood and changing the negative into positive statements, accepting it and moving forward into the future. I feel a lot of this is to do with your mother and your father and your family, your school teachers, the school bully. There is always the opportunity for us to forgive them. Also, get your paint pots out, do something creative. You, the Deva of the Flower is saying, draw, paint, do some abstract art, paint the colours of your childhood. Are they dark? Are they black? Are they grey? Or are they vibrant red, pink, green, blue? What colours are they? Have a look at the colours, and does it make you feel angry or does it make you feel serene? So, yes, on the whole, this is about healing your childhood and your memories, whether good or not so good, and working with that so we can move forward into a better, brighter, more positive future with the lovely forget me not. So we don't forget, we can remember, but we don't have to let it consume us with guilt and worry and anger. Just let that drift away. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw from this energy now, and I'd like you to do the same, gradually coming round slowly. And we give thanks to the nature spirits for guiding us today and giving us insight into the forget me not. Namaste.